have 100 strips of paper to now make into our paper chain. Okay, so I'm gonna take our beautiful pile here and we're gonna make the first loop. It's super easy, you just loop it like this.
1.
And you're gonna take some tape and make a loop like that. You can just take the tape and wrap the tape around. And because this is for a party, these loops can just be fun. They can be measured any way you want. But see that? It kind of loops on really nicely with that tape. And then our next loop, you loop it through. So you stick it right through and around.
2.
And you get another piece of tape. And you tape this part just like so. Just around like that. Secure it. Nice. So then we just make a bunch more loops.
98 more loops to go. How will she do it? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Halfway there. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Only 10 more to go! Whee! 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99.
And our last loop we're gonna make for number 100, it is our blue loop.
100!
Check this out. Wow! This is our Crafternoon creation. We made a chain that is 100 loops long, and we did it with just paper, scissors, and tape. This is gonna look so great at the party. I can't wait to see it hanging up. Well, thank you so much for having another Crafternoon with me, K10. Bye!